if you can see it there. Okay, it's looking lovely and golden yellow. So now is the time to add our fragrance. Now I'm using caramel fudge today. Okay, we're just going to pour. So basically we want to get about 10%. So just judging by how much I have in there, it's going to be a decent amount. All right. Okay, that should be plenty. Now, if you're not used to making candles and you need to measure it out, by all means measure it out. I've been doing it for a while now, so. Now, if you want to use some colours, I have a range of different colours, which I'm going to use the red for the Santa, and the other ones, I'm not going to put any colours in them purely because, or I might even try, I might actually do a rainbow just to show you. So basically what I do with the colours, because I don't have pots for each one, I just put it in the individual candle that way, and then I just give it a good mix once. And pouring it in usually does that too. Okay, so that's done. Now I am going to do a rainbow, but I'll show you the way I'll do the rainbow once I get down to it. I think I might do this plain white one, a rainbow. All right, so the handle's still reasonably warm. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with this one. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay. Just get rid of that sludge there. And we're just going to pour it in. Okay, and that's as far as that goes. Now this one I'm going to pour in the double. And I'm going to, as you can see, the little wicks have moved apart. And I can always move them back. Okay. So you're going to make sure you get them evenly spaced so that, because it's such a large bowl, you need the 2 wicks. Now what I might do is I might do this one here a rainbow, because I haven't actually put enough wax to do all of them. This one is going to go in the car, so we might do that a rainbow colour just so it looks pretty in the car. So we pour it in just like that. A little bit more over here. That one. A little bit more over here. Okay. Now you can see how much wax, how much it melts down to once you've filled it up. And now before I turned the video on, I had already put candle wax that filled at least half of that, so you do need quite a lot to fill the container. Alright, so we'll just set that down over there. Alright, now to do the colour for the rainbows, pick out which colours you'd like. So I'm not going to choose yellow because oftentimes it will leave not a very nice result. So we're going to do blue, purple and magenta, because you've got the white anyway. Now basically, because it's such a small one, I'm probably not going to need even a full drop, so let's see if I can just get a teeny tiny drop. Alright, so that's the magenta, and you'll see in this one that it goes a little over the top and then it starts to get sucked back down with the red. I'm not sure why different colours do that, but and then this is your blue. That's going to do the same. Almost like fills the entire surface and then it disappears again. So we just wait a few moments. And then lastly we'll do the purple. Now, purple doesn't normally do that, but let's just see how it turns out. Purple's the one we really need to give a bit of a stir. Alright, so using the stick, use the other end just because it's pointy, and just try and flick the purple up. I don't know if you can see that. Not very much, just a few flicks just to get that purple up on the surface, because obviously as you burn it you'll see more purple, but at the moment we've mainly got blue and red. Okay, so it's quite simple, and that's basically all there is to it. All right, so we've got a lovely Santa, we've got the lovely caramel vanilla fudge double, and then this one's going to go in the car, and hopefully we get some sort of rainbow pattern. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is turn the camera off, and then we're going to come back once it's almost set, and we're going to do some decorating on the surface. Tune back then. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.